Check out this newer construction 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath home for sale in Monroe County, Iowa. The modern open floor plan creates a seamless flow between the spacious kitchen, dining, and living areas, making it ideal for both everyday living and entertaining. The master bedroom serves as a retreat, complete with a large bedroom, a walk-in closet, and bathroom. Step outside to the inviting patio and deck, where you can enjoy outdoor meals, gatherings, or simply unwind in your private fenced-in backyard, providing ample space for pets or children to play. The home boasts a large garage with plenty of room for vehicles, storage, or any other hobbies. You don't want to miss out on this beautiful home. Call to schedule your private showing today. My name is Matt Smith, and I am proudly representing LandGuys here in Southeast Iowa.